Alright, so right at our Walmart clearance, they're doing a bunch of resets. And they have everything cheap. It's winter time. You got this guy for $29. It's the Lasko ceramic heater. I do love the Lasko heaters. I got this guy for the garage. I got the tower one, but I want to move that to my son's room for the winter. And this is a 1500 watt heater. Comes with a remote control. I always lose them. Adjustable louver for direct heat. This guy will just sit in the garage. It's kind of compact, portable. It is the ceramic heater. So slow, steady heat is a 1-star. Quick heat, 3 stars. Directional, 3 stars. Strong intense heat, 2 stars. It's not the best. It's not a quartz heater, but I do kind of like the ceramic heaters for in here. It warms it up slowly. Just keeps it steady, nice temperature. So I'll open this box with you guys. Alright. This is a littler one. I have a big one for Ava's room. It's 1500 watts. Has a smart screen on it. Let's see what's in the box. Just the heater itself, instruction manual, and the remote. Here is a control panel. There is a little plastic right here. I usually leave the plastic on for a little bit. Here is that louver to move the heat. Definitely a lot smaller than the other one I have. This is a little different. They didn't put the plastic cap on. They just used shrink wrap on the power cord. So definitely have to use a knife to take this off, like Fort Knox right there. Reset instructions are on the back. Unplug it, wait 5 to 10 minutes, plug it in, turn it on. It does have that power safe on there. Nice little heater, slick design. Fit up against the wall probably. It does have vents back here, so I'd probably think that don't just set it up against the wall. I was kind of hoping it was like more like a wall heater, but this will be nice for in the garage here, just for a nice slow steady heat. The garage is nice and insulated. Just don't have heat in here. So I'll get it plugged in and turned on for you. Alright, I have it plugged in. So, just plugged in, has a little red light to show that it has power. Turn it on, you hit this button right here. It is on high. You have a high and a low setting. I'll have to check the wattage on each one. Looks like it also has a timer setting, 1 hour. Very light. I would say this thing is only 5 pounds, not even. Already putting out some good heat. High, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 0. That's the hour settings.
Yes, it says it on the box.
Then it has auto for the temperature, I bet. Yep. So you click up, 75, 76, 77, 80. Definitely putting out some good heat already. Goes up to 90 degrees. Risk of heat stroke. Hypothermia. Hypothermia is a result in death in infants or others. Yeah, well, I guess we don't really use a heater with the baby. But very nice, sleek design. Very simple to use. It says Eco. That's lit up. I don't know if so when you have it on high, it does not show the Eco. Then it has a little light right here. I take it. Yep. So that lights up red when you do have the timer on it. Definitely doesn't blow out as much, but very nice heat coming out right there. You do feel airflow out of the back vent, so probably try not to have anything resting up against that. No pillows. Keep electrical cord, drapery, and other furnishing at least 3 feet away from the front of the heater so you don't catch a fire. That is the Lasko ceramic stand-up heater at Walmart. They are on clearance. They had a whole pallet of them for that $29 or $27, whatever it was. $29. and they were originally 73. Perfect for, I'm going to be just using it in the garage when I'm in here. And as I said, I already did our clearance aisle. They're doing a bunch of resets. Got the Roku on clearance for 50. This says 83 is actually 30, and that's the Garmin drive, extra large. They have light bulbs on clearance, and I even got a deadbolt, was 50 down to 17. They had stacks and stacks of clearance since they're doing a reset. So definitely take a look at my channel, subscribe. I try to do reviews over everything I get, something you would get. If I don't like it, I usually return it. If I do like it, I usually keep it for the garage to use. I do have quite a few generator reviews. I do like to get clearance generators or cheap generators and play with them. And we have a camper and everything, so trying to figure out one of the best ones for our camper. So far, for the home backup, I'm going to be using that Pulsar. So I do have other Lasko heaters. I do like the Lasko heaters. This one's a spinning tower heater. I had it here in the garage for the longest time. And I do have the bigger stand-up Lasko heater. Definitely blows out a lot better than this one right here, but for slow, steady heat, this will do perfectly fine. You guys have a wonderful day. Please hit that subscribe button. Follow my channel. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment. I will research and try to find the answer for any of your questions. Here is also the remote right here. It does take AAA batteries. There is a very tiny little Phillips head screw that goes into the back of it. Has all your settings right here. The power, the high, the low, the timer, and then the up and down for the temperature. Probably just set this aside. I don't really need it. It looks like it has a clip, and that clip is supposed to go onto the back like that, so you don't lose your remote with your heater.